The Ukrainian 71st Jaeger Brigade eliminated a Russian assault group near Krasny Yar, near Hrodivka, on the Pokrovsk front. FPV drone operators from the Ukrainian Muramasa unit successfully struck Russian equipment in the Pokrovsky direction. They destroyed or damaged a Brem recovery vehicle, an MTLB armored vehicle, a 152mm Pantsir-S self-propelled howitzer, an armored personnel carrier with troops, 4 vehicles, and 1 motorcycle. Russian conscripts are reportedly being forced to sign contracts to become professional soldiers and fight in the Kursk region. The Russian army appears to be evading a law prohibiting conscripts without training and less than 4 months' service from participating in combat. Astra reports that conscripts from the 290th Missile Regiment, based in Russia's Mari El Republic, are being made to sign contracts. Parents are upset, but appear to be powerless. The mother of one conscript says, "My son called and said that the command had already compiled lists for sending conscripts to the Kursk region. They answered all their questions. This is Russian territory and you must defend it." He has been serving since May of this year. He also said that they are persuading everyone to sign contracts. Alexei Mashkevich, a journalist from Ivanovo, says that his son, serving since the spring of 2024 in the 217th Regiment of the 98th Airborne Division, is also being sent to the Kursk region. Mashkevich wrote on the Russian social media network VK, "And what would you feel now, patriots and not, if you found out that your son, a conscript in the airborne forces, after the young fighter course, will be sent from Ivanovo to the Kursk region?" Another VK user responded, "I understand you better than anyone else. I haven't been able to come to my senses for 2 days after this news. Our sons are in the same company." A woman commented, "Our children are also sent there. Conscripts from Kamenka, Leningrad region, and also after the KMB Young Fighter course. Unfortunately, this is the reality of our life. Strength and patience. Health to my son." Conscripts and contract professional soldiers serve under very different terms. Conscripts serve for only 1 year, cannot be sent to fight outside Russia's borders, and cannot be sent to combat without at least 4 months' service and training in a military specialization. The conscripts in this case clearly don't meet the latter criteria. As recruits from the spring 2024 intake, they won't have completed their 4-month service, and if they have only just completed their young fighter course, basic training, they will be barely trained. As conscript soldiers, they have to serve indefinitely, at least until the end of the war in Ukraine, and they can be sent to any of Russia's conflict zones, including Ukraine. They will get better pay, but probably won't receive any of the recruitment bonuses. It's likely that Russia is turning to conscripts because of its shortage of contract soldiers, who it appears are fully committed in the ongoing battles within Ukraine. Relatives of Russian soldiers complain that they do not receive any payments from the state.
Выплат нет. Мы вот брали кредит, вот мы ему шлем. Переживаю, я уже ослепла на один глаз из-за давления. Я на один глаз не вижу.
Заплаканные родственники участников специальной военной операции в наших приемах не редкость. И вот здесь вот очередная ситуация. Пришла мама бойца, выплат нету. Это что за отношения? Я имею в виду наших всех региональных чиновников. Но вы обратите внимание, вот у вас семья, здесь проблемы. Надо отреагировать на это. Ноль реакции вообще. Ноль реакций, их не существует.
Я много перенесла, большая семья, без мужа, воспитала всех. Не можем никак добиться ничего. Вот мы в часть туда обращались, где вот это, откуда он пошел. Никто ничего не знает, не знаем, кого спросить. Пришли в свой военкомат, хотели, чтобы выплату хоть какую-то. Они сказали, а вам какую вы хотите выплату? Он вообще не от нас ушел, так что он не наш. Я говорю, как не наш? Челябинская область и Троицк, тут же рядом. Как это так?
Они из Троицка приехали к нам, в приемную в Челябинскую, с вот этими вот вопросами. Мы сейчас оперативно эти вопросы поправим через Министерство обороны и военную прокуратуру, и просто инициируем проверки, и, естественно, выплатят там ему все полагающиеся выплаты.
Будем надеяться. Спасибо вам большое,
я думаю,
что выслушали нас.
Не один там. Вот это,
Там многим, говорит, и выплат нету, ничего, ребята не знают, что делать. Он узнал у ребят, что вы можете помочь, и вы решили к вам.
Досадно, что над пожилым человеком издеваются местные власти, заставляя его там через полобласти ехать, добиваться и так далее. Хотя в каждом муниципалитете есть люди, которые занимаются этими вопросами и обязаны эти проблемы решать. Но никому ничего не надо. У нас вот здесь бронебойная стена просто для участников спецоперации. Вот такой подход.
Kursk operation is ongoing, and at least 3 cars from Car for Ukraine are actively involved. The team received an urgent request for 2 super-powered trucks. Join and help hold the front line. In the meantime, you can see some progress updates on the medics campaign you've helped to boost. Check out Car4, Ukraine.com/campaigns for more. The link is in the description.
Hello Warthog Defense audience, Ivan from Car for Ukraine here. Thank you all very much for supporting the medics campaign. We've already got 2 of the cars in Lviv and we're going to send them to the front line very soon. In the meantime, I'm sure you all follow the Kursk operation, where we've managed to verify 3 of our cars being actively used there. And we've just received an urgent request to get 2 super-powered trucks to the front line over there as well. You can learn more about that at carforukraine.com/campaigns. The campaign is called Superpowered Trucks. Help our guys to do their job and let's make more Russians a little bit sad. Thank you, and together to our shared victory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.